Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about demand. Now the first question is, what is demand in economics? Is it want? Is it need? Let us have two sentences. Want a Ferrari car, and two, we need more, this is more bicycles on the roads, obviously for cleaner environment. Okay, there is want and there is need. Now the question is, are they demand in economics? To be demand in economics, there are two conditions. Should be made at a time or simultaneously. So two conditions should be met to be demand. These two conditions are: one, willingness to buy, and the second condition is ability to buy. So these two conditions should be met simultaneously. One condition is met, another is not met, then that is not demand in economics. So we take the first statement which says I want a Ferrari car. That means I do have the willingness to buy a Ferrari car, but do I have the ability to buy a Ferrari car? Obviously not. So this is not demand in economics, as I don't have the ability to buy a Ferrari car. Now the second statement, we need more bicycles on the road. So most of us have the ability to buy a bicycle, but doing exercise every day, riding on a bike, we don't have, or most of us do not have the willingness to buy it. So that is not demand. So for the second statement, we have ability to buy, but we don't have the willingness to buy. So that is also not demand. So what we do, or to be more precise, what I do, I go to a bus stop, buy a ticket, and sit on a seat in the bus. So I have a demand for a seat in the bus because I have the willingness to buy it and the ability to buy it. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.